Every year, we recognize Bay East members who have excelled in their profession, in their contributions to the association, and in their efforts in the community. We had many outstanding candidates in 2023, and we recognize the following members at the 2024 inaugural. The 2023 Realtor of the Year is Sheila Cunha. The Realtor of the Year not only serves their profession, but their communities, participating in civic activities, serving in leadership positions, and providing professional service to their clients. Sheila serves on Bay East and CAR committees as a dedicated advocate for home ownership and housing providers. The Rookie of the Year is given to a newly licensed full-time realtor. Nicole Easterday serves as a valuable member in her community, the real estate industry, and contributes her time to support the Bay East Foundation and Central County Marketing Group. Adriana Mendez is the 2023 Affiliate of the Year. She supports the real estate community by serving on Bay East's Real Estate Alliance of Livermore and Valley Real Estate Network, along with the Women's Council of Realtors Star. Dawn Fott is the 2023 Outstanding Leader. This award recognizes a past Bay East president who continues their leadership journey by serving Bay East and the real estate profession. Dawn is on several committees at Bay East, CAR, and NAR, always ready to be a mentor to those around him. Tim Ambrose received the Good Neighbor of the Year award. Tim's dedication to the Love Never Fails organization distinguishes him as a valuable member of the community. Love Never Fails restores, educates, and protects survivors of human trafficking in their community. June Burkhart is the 2023 John Diedrich Distinguished Service Award winner. June dedicates her time to helping her fellow members, always ready to lend a helping hand. Her exceptional efforts in 2023 make June a role model who inspires her peers with her dedication and selflessness. Congratulations to all the 2023 award winners. We appreciate all you've done for the real estate industry and are proud to have you as Bay East members. Thanks for watching.